How animals have changed over millions of years. Welcome to a journey back in time, a journey that explores the fascinating evolution of animals. Over millions of years, the animal kingdom has undergone remarkable transformations, becoming the diverse and complex world we know today. Let's begin with the dinosaurs, the ruling class of the prehistoric world. These giants roamed the Earth for nearly 180 million years. However, their reign ended abruptly with an asteroid strike, leading to their extinction. Yet, they left behind a legacy: the birds, their closest living relatives. Birds are a great example of how animals have changed. From the heavy, ground-based dinosaurs, birds evolved to be light and flight-capable. They developed beaks instead of teeth, feathers instead of scales, and hollow bones for easy flight. It's hard to believe, isn't it? Moving to the oceans, let's consider the evolution of whales. Believe it or not, whales were once terrestrial creatures. Over millions of years, they transitioned from land to water. Their legs gradually became fins, and their noses migrated to the top of their heads to become blowholes. Now, let's turn our attention to the insects. These creatures are the result of the most numerous and diverse evolutionary experiments. Consider the butterfly, which starts life as a crawling caterpillar, then transforms into a creature of flight and beauty through metamorphosis. The story of the horse also illustrates dramatic changes. The earliest horses were small, forest-dwelling creatures. Over time, they evolved to become larger and faster, adapting to life on open grasslands. Their toes fused into a single hoof, providing better speed and stability. Speaking of adaptation, let's consider the camel. Living in harsh desert conditions, camels evolved to withstand extreme temperatures and water scarcity. They developed long legs to keep their bodies away from the hot sand, and humps to store fat, providing energy when food and water are scarce. Another interesting case is the evolution of snakes. Originally, snakes had legs. However, over time, they lost their limbs to adapt to a burrowing lifestyle. Their elongated bodies and specialized scales allowed them to move smoothly through their underground homes. The evolution of bats gives us an excellent example of convergent evolution. While birds developed wings from legs, bats did the same from their hands. Their fingers elongated, and a thin membrane of skin stretched between them to form wings, enabling flight. In conclusion, the journey of animal evolution is a tale of survival, adaptation, and diversity. It's a testament to life's ability to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. From the ocean filled with life, a mighty volcano eruption, to a forest home to many creatures. While we've covered just a few examples today, remember, each animal has its own unique evolutionary story.